Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Ron, Simplify Myers Job Between Life Partner. Just wanted to come shoot a quick video on life insurance needs so that everyone understands how it works and whether you need it or not. There's a thing that's called the theory of decreasing responsibility, and it means just that. In the early years, you have kids, you have debts, you have a lot of responsibilities. But what most people usually don't have is cash. So if something happens to the breadwinner, the family will be devastated financially. What you're going to do is buy life insurance to replace that until you accumulate the cash. The theory of decreasing responsibility says now over time, your kids are going to get grown. They're taking care of themselves now. So that means less income that you need to actually protect now. The house is paid off. The debts are paid off. The reasons that you needed the life insurance in the first place have started to decrease. So therefore, the need for life insurance actually starts to decrease with it. Now, there are people that will tell young people you don't need life insurance. Well, they don't need to buy a lot of it, but you want to make sure, again, do you have enough cash to make sure if something happened to them that you could take care of the burial? If the answer to that is yes, then no, you don't need to cover the kids. If it wouldn't hurt you financially, if you had to take care of something like that, then you don't need to cover them. But at the same time, if you say, no, I don't have cash, then your kids need to be covered. And folks, make sure you get the right type of insurance. I got another different video on that. Check it out, term versus cash value. That'll explain the different insurances. But what you need to do, again, is make sure that the family will not be hurt financially. And again, that is the whole purpose of life insurance. Making sure whoever is dependent on your income will not be devastated financially if something should happen to you. So even those that are running around and they say, well, I'm single, I don't have no responsibility, nobody is worried about my income. But do you have enough set aside to cover your burial, money, cash? If the answer is yes, then you're right, you don't need it. If the answer is no, you need to make sure you have enough to cover burial so you don't leave the burden on your family. I see it happen too many times where people are doing car washes because a person didn't have any protection, and then they were listening to their financial expert who explained to them, oh, well, they're young, they're kids, they have no responsibility. They don't. Folks, the purpose of it again is there anyone dependent on my income, or will my leaving here on this earth hurt someone financially? If the answer is yes, do I have the cash where they won't be devastated? And if the answer is yes, then you don't need it. And if the answer is no, you need it. I hope that's pretty straightforward. And again, as everything starts to disappear, those needs, those responsibilities, the need for insurance disappears. You don't need life insurance for your whole life, which agents are trying to teach you that you need to. Folks, it's only because I didn't have cash. Once I accumulate cash, I don't need nobody's life insurance. Now, there are wealthy people that have it for estate taxes. Folks, that's a whole different training. Most people are not going to have that issue. So for the average person, when the responsibilities are done, you're done. And as you know, it ain't right, it ain't wrong. It is my opinion. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.